Hello everyone, Hans here. I'm so excited for the Virtue this month because it is all about me. That's right, this month we're talking about great. I thought to myself, who is greater than me? I don't know. So I've invited a few friends over to help me with my greatness, and they're gonna come right now. Hello?
Hey Hans, how you doing? It's me, Joey.
Oh, hello Joey, how are you today?
Hey, you know, Hans, speaking of Grace, I got a cousin Grace. We call her Gracie, and I tell you what, that's a different story. But anyway, Hans, you gotta get it. It's not great. It's about grace.
Wrong. It's not about grace. You all are wrong. It's about great. Me, Hans, sit down.
Hey. Okay, I'll come in. What do you got to eat over here, huh? Something nice? It's quite the party there, Hans. Anybody else coming?
Hello?
Hello, Hans.
Safety gal, how are you doing? Keep it safe.
Well, thank you. I'm not quite sure if I was invited or not, but I heard there was a celebration and I decided I needed to come make sure everything was safe and accounted for.
Well, that's perfect because, you know, it's so great and, well, that's me. I am accounted for.
Well, that's what you keep telling us. However, I need to make sure that there's no candles lit, that all outlets are covered, that all materials and fabrics are flame retardant. That's why I'm here.
Well, that's great. Well, but you know what's even greater is me because the Virtue is great and that's me.
Great, Hans? You understand that the Virtue is grace. You understand that, don't you? Getting something great that you do not deserve?
No, listen, you are wrong. It's not grace, it's great. Of course it's about me. I thought to myself, who is great? Me. Come in and sit down.
Hey Hans, Officer Barney here. Just coming to the party because you asked me to call. I'm just making sure everything's good. Copacetic.
Oh, hello, Officer Barney. How are you today?
You know, I don't give much grace when I'm ticketing speeders because they've already broken the law, but, you know, God gives us grace.
No, I hate to tell you, you're wrong. I'm right. It's about great.
No, Hans, you're way off. It's not about great, it's about grace. Getting great things that you don't deserve. It's what God gives us, no.
Look at me, I am great. Sit down.
Hey, well, all right, no need to get snippy about it. I'll come in, but I just got to tell you, Hans, your attitude really isn't very good.
Barney, I heard somebody mention you have a bullet. Would you like to turn that over to me for safekeeping while we're here together?
Hans, it's good to see you. Surviving, good to see you. Come on in, glad you're here.
It's good to see you. Tiger Stinson here to teach you about surviving in a survival situation.
G-R, great. That's what I'm spelling. Get yourself down, it's a great. Hans, that's how you spell great in my book.
I don't like to correct you because you're big, but it's grace, not great. Grace. You know, getting something great that you don't deserve. God gives us grace. That's even more important than survival.
One last time.
Right, I'll come in. But I don't have to eat anything weird, do I? Right, I don't like eating strange stuff. I went to a birthday party for a friend of mine, another survivalist the other day. 72. Doesn't look a day over 70. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, armadillo. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Hans. Surprisingly, I'm so glad you're here. Maybe you can help everyone with a great invention or something.
Yes, listen, old chap. I think you may be getting that a bit wrong. It's not, great.
You know, the Virtue this month is about great. And you're going to tell me how great I am. So I'll sit here for a moment. You tell me how great I am.
Listen, Hans, it's about grace. See, the Virtue this entire month is about grace. Getting something great that you don't deserve. Because God loves to give us things. And
H-A-N-S, great. Sit down.
Well, all right. We need to talk about this a little bit. It's called humility spread. I think it's good for you, yes. Yes. Scooch. Yes, a little close. It's my own little personal bubble.
It's quite the party there, Hans.
Yes, I've got my own little invention here. It's my own little personal space, right? It's called a bottomless bubble.
Hey! Super duper, it's so good to see you. But you know what is even more super duper than you? Me?
Super duper.
Yes.
Oh, that's right. You invited me, so of course you know who it is.
Please, please, you know, tell me how great I am. Don't come too close, but
No. It's not great. Virtue is grace. See, getting what you don't deserve, but when you have it to the no.
I'm great.
It's grace.
I'm wonderful. I am Hans, you know, things like that.
Grace is getting great things that you don't.
Clean the wax out your ears. It's about great. Sit yourself down.
I'll come in, but if I hear anybody yelling for help, I gotta fly out of here. Oh, hey everyone, how you doing? May not be the sharpest tack in the box, but I can still make you hurt if you step on me.
Hey Hans, how's it going? Surfer Power, there's no waves in here, but unless you talk about the waves of greatness.
You know, Hans, I think you might have it a little wrong.
What? It's about great.
I'm not harshing on you, but it's not great, it's grace, you know, God's grace. Like,
Everybody's so wrong with me.
we get great things that we don't deserve because that's God's grace.
Why don't you sit down? I explain it to you one last time.
Dude, well, okay, all right. Chillax, I'll come in, but, you don't need to be so harsh, man. Make me cry or something.
After this, I'm gonna do my patrol, do my rounds. Gotta leave a little room, go by the donut shop, get me a couple crawlers. Just kidding around, I don't really do.
You know what? I was speaking dolphin the other day. You know what I said? No, I was asking you. I don't know. I have no idea.
Tiger Stinson, I have a survival tip for you. Ready? If you want to survive, be like me because I am greater than almost everyone I am greater than everyone I know but me and Sna. We are the greatest.
We cool? We good? All right, good.
Give me a G. Give me a rate. That's a spell? Great. That's right, that's me.
We've got to help our friend Hans, hadn't we?
He thinks he's great.
Yes, he's got a bit of an ego problem. He's a little swollen in the noggin. Well, I made a little something for him. It's humility in a can. What does it do? Yes, I'm glad you asked. You put a little bit of this in his protein powder. It'll shrink his head. Yes.
Listen, I don't know about the rest of you, but
Yes.
looking forward to some cake or something.
Yes. Well, I haven't worked all the details out yet, but that might help him. What do you think?
I tell you I am great. Give me what I deserve. Give me my just desserts.